just to give you an idea how tender these things are. Just got a new smoker. I wanted to break it in with a fresh rack of ribs. I did pick these ribs up from the Mart Walls. These are $8.87. This should be plenty enough for just me at my weight class. Slide it out of the holster there. Do away with that as you please. I don't really know much about barbecue and ribs, to be honest with you. I'm just kind of learning. The only thing I know is there's a membrane on this side, and I got to use a butter knife to get it off. Wife, you want to do this for me? What are you covering your mouth for?
You said membrane.
It's a, oh yeah. Yeah, get up in there like nice and deep like. Shazam! This was competition style. I'm sure there's like a competing way you can like box this off a little bit, cut this big hunky of fatty off without my butter knife. That's more like it. There we go. Alexa, how do you do the 3-2-1 method?
The 321 method involves cooking ribs for 3 hours unwrapped, then wrapping them for 2 hours, and finally unwrapping them with barbecue sauce for the final hour. Yet effective method for producing top quality ribs.
You mean this is going to take me 6 hours? The EVOO with the lid off. It's all in the hip. I'll wash before I touch the seasoning. With a sweet preacher or whatever pork rub you like. We're just going to hit it with a healthy dose. Pat in your seasoning. Sticks better. So we've made a mess on that side. Let's flip her over and make a mess on the other side. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O. Good enough. When I grew up, it wasn't happy birthday twice. It was the alphabet. Just slam it in there. We'll see you at the smoke station. Just got this smoker together yesterday. Got it up to 225 degrees. Look how tall that thing is. You're right here in the middle. See you later, honey. See you in like 3 hours. First 3 hours, the 3-2-1's done. Open up this Mammoth and see how they look. Hopefully they look pretty excellent. I wouldn't know what to look for anyway, so. Barbecue guys, you got my back in the comments, right? Woo, boy. Y'all know Southern vibing. Yeah, you get some. Put some butter and brown sugar on top of them. Throw them back on. Coming in with some butter, brown sugar. This is Justin Chapalis always says you can never go wrong with more brown sugar. I don't know exactly how long we've had this honey, but it still moves around, so we're good to go. You can do it. I believe in you, Johnny. And some honey. Here my twins fight. Monday Night Smackdown. Gonna wrap it up for another 2 hours. The butter goes up, by the way. This thing is so nice. Now they got the proper PPE on. I'm gonna get this thing out of here. All right. Come here, ribbage. I've never actually had this flavor, but I love this brand. And anytime I have a brand new bottle of barbecue sauce, it's time to make ribs. Just 'cause I don't like putting cold barbecue sauce on hot food. Put a good sauce on, give it a good slather in, give it a quickie flippy. Ooh, oh, whoa, easy. Quick saucing. Just a smattering. We're gonna come up in here and just the sides here. Nice and sticky. Back in the elements. Cool thing I like about this is you can fit so much room for activities. Whole sheet tray. Let that roll for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go inside and play some PlayStation 5 or probably put away laundry. I got stuff to. It has been an hour. We've got our PPE on. Let's see how this thing looks. See you look so pretty. Would you just look at it? Look! That's what they look like. I'm gonna rest for a couple minutes and slice into it. Knife out here. Give her a quick choppy. Whoa, hot. Perfect. Juicy. Oh man.